Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Amul pastries butter ultra buttery delicious unsalted. So this is an unsalted butter and utterly buttery delicious is their tagline kind of thingy, what they say again and again in every advertisement. So this over here all the nutritional information is mentioned, total cholesterol and carbohydrate is 0, so whosoever is doing keto diet, it is good because it has no carbs. And please go and have the unsalted only, not salted. So it has protein also 0, so it's nice. It is full of fat, 100 calories per servings it gives. That is really nice, and it's a product of India, so very trustworthy. I would say Indian products are really trustworthy, and it's written over here manufactured by Kaira district milk producer India. So let's not waste much time and open it and see how it is. So this is the inside packing, and you just need to take off this butter paper. So this is called the butter paper, and this is how the butter looks like. The salted one tastes amazing. I have tasted that also earlier, but this is the unsalted, and I kept in fridge, so I don't think that it will come easily out, but little, I believe, little. So you can see in spoon little came, and I have already eaten this. I'm eating it since so many weeks and it tastes amazing. Very good source of full fat. People should go and try it. It tastes amazing. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.